Hello everyone, it's Lonestarscratchn, and today I'm looking for a win on the 200 million cash explosion. This is a $10 game from the Texas Lottery, so I have two tickets, $20 worth. We have ticket number 8, ticket number 9. We're looking for that money back, we're looking for that 20x, or to straight up match and win. So let's get our scratch on here. Let's do some Lonestarscratchn, and we're going to see what we can find today, see if we can get a winner. For a money bag, repeating numbers, and there's a money bag right there. Nice, so not a winner. See if we can get anything else to go along with that. Okay. Okay, so we have a money bag. Whoops. So, alright. Now let's see if we can find anything to go with it. Looking for the number 19. Let's see, 19. Looking for 31. 30. How about the number 6? There's 4, 5, and 7. Number 6. There's 8. Everything but 3. There's 2. Kind of the same thing. We got everything but 18. No 18. Alright. 17. We've got one offs. And a 23. There's our 22. So we just have a money bag win, but hey, it's a win. It's going to be underneath that money bag. 6 zeros, little zeros. What we got? Nice! So we are on the board for $15. Okay, this is the ticket number 9. See if we can go back to back. Alright, here we go. So we spent 20. We won most of our money back. Even if this is a payback ticket, we would profit. Never found that 20x. Still looking for it. Okay, here we go. See if we can find some matches. Number 15, not there. Looking for number 13, not one off. 12 there. Looking for number 10, we got one off 11. Looking for 37, not there. 36, one off 35. Looking for that number 9, one off 8. And looking for number 19. So looks like we didn't get a win on ticket number 9, but we won $15 on ticket number 8. So spent 20, got a little bit of a loss, but we won back most of it. And this is Lonestarscratchn. Thank you for watching. I hope you're winning. I hope you're lucky. But most of all, be blessed. And we'll see you next time. Bye.